Welcome. Today we're going to show you guys our Traxxas Blast that Maddox runs it around when we go out to the lake on our Yamaha jet boat. So it's the entry-level boat from Traxxas. It comes with just a regular nickel metal hydride setup. You can't put lipos in this boat unless you change the speed the speed controller. So which I'm planning on doing, the ESC. So drop her in the water and let's show them what it does. You do have to stop it every few minutes and empty the water out of it. It starts getting a little heavy. It's definitely not the some of the boats you can actually submerge and they flip themselves back over. We've never flipped this one over, but I'm sure we probably will. We get a big boat going through here. We'll get some pretty good waves, some waves going.